Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for keeping track of what matters most. This incredible Bluetooth tracker has revolutionized how I find my lost items, making it one of the best electronics for anyone in 2025. The standout feature is precision finding, which uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. It's like a personal treasure hunt with perfect directions. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap and it's paired with your iPhone, ready to go in seconds. And don't worry about spills or dust, because these little powerhouses are IP67 water and dust resistant, meaning they can survive accidental drops in puddles or dusty adventures. What truly sets the Apple AirTag apart from other trackers is its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem and the massive Find My network, ensuring you can locate items even if they're miles away. If you're looking to buy the best tracker for your valuables, you can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack using the Amazon link in the description below. From tracking luggage to finding your pet's collar, the possibilities are endless, offering peace of mind you never knew you needed. This isn't just a gadget. It's an essential piece of tech that blends convenience, cutting-edge technology, and Apple's signature ease of use. For anyone wanting to upgrade their lost and found game, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have purchase for 2025. Click that link and never lose anything again.